You are going to love the 2014 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.